Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make sorry, I was just clearing my throat, a non-user icon me. So let's go. I don't think anyone's ever created this before apart from me, so let's go. Not this face, none of these, and just keep it white. I'm making balls. Just keep these eyebrows and I'll make them black, yeah. But then the positions, should have done the positions first, but it doesn't really matter. Anyway, here are the positions. Pause the video anytime you need to. There is a few gaps on this, like if you look closely, there's a few gaps there, but it doesn't matter because it's the closest I could get. So these positions. I've already shown the colour, so you could see anywhere there if you missed it. There's loads of things you can do for this. There's loads of options. But I just did it this way. It's like there's loads of ways. Just get these. I'll just get these eyes in these positions. You do this way as well because you might not know any other ways, so if you just stick to this way. And just keep them black. Now you want this nose, or you could do that nose, it doesn't actually matter. And these positions, it could be different, but I just did this. So yeah, there's lots of different ways you can do this. Now, here's an interesting part. If you want this mouth, so just keep that mouth in these positions. And it's a black mouth, so it won't change colour. So that, because, I'll explain it after we've done the other bits, because you might not have done that bit yet. So no beard, but this moustache and these positions. Don't get fooled by that being all the way up, because look, it still goes off a bit more, so you want to have it down. Just so simple, just go all the way up and then go down one and make it as big as possible. So now you want to keep it black. So that has made the body and the mouth has filled in a bit of the gap, and the eyebrows have filled in a bit of the gap. Now here's the completion on this mole and these positions. I could just say you want a mole because there's that mole or nothing. I just keep it male. Body. There's nothing you can do. You can do whatever size you want, but I think it's most necessary to do all the way short and all the way thick. Or wide, that's what we'd call it. You could do glasses, and you could just hide them, but there's no actual reason to do those, so easiest way is to not do glasses. And I'd put favourite colour white. If you want to, you could do black, but it stands out more for white, and all the other colours don't really do it. Don't really stand out. Because anyway, just do white or black, but most likely white. Now type in non-user. So, because you can't fit non-user picture in there or non-user pic. So, NON space USER. And then click done. So there you have it. You've made a non-user me.